Good evening. I will going to present my part, which is marketing implementation for marketing plan. First, under marketing organization, and our product is SSP, Sigil Simpanan Premium from BSN. Then SSP is open to all Malaysian. First is given to permanent residents and also foreign residents with permanent address. So basically, it is open to the people who in Malaysia. Then they have different terms and conditions. First, the eligibility of SSP draws is classified into four. First one is special, then is monthly, junior, and local. Let's see their eligibility. For special is from age 12 years old and above. Minimum saving is 3,000, and this draw will be held every month. And for monthly is for 12 years old and above. Minimum saving is 10 ringgit and will be held every month too. And for local will 12 years old and above, minimum saving 10 ringgit also. And this one will be held in February, May, August, and November. Then for junior is only for 12 to 21 years old. Then our target customer is lecturers and students of UUM. So the different customer maybe have different category for their drawing. For our event day, we will classify to 3 groups for our member. So the first one is sales group, program group, and logistic group. Why we need to put them into different group? Because we want to separate their job so that we can run the event more smoothly. So from sales group, they need to promote our product, which is SSP, to our customers. So on the day, sales group is about 6 persons. So on the day, they need to promote our product. Then they have to increase the understanding of SSP to the customer, because seems like many people have less know about this product, so they have to tell them the advantage of this, the benefit of this product SSP, so that they can more understand in depth of this product, and then will increase their interest for this product, so will increase the sales when buy this product. And the second group is logistic group. This one, for this group, have to make sure the environment, which means that the setup, all the things is in good condition. First they need to do is before the event day, they have to set up the booth. So and then have to make sure the mic, the speaker, and the table chair all already prepared and in good condition. Then the others, some of the member will need to giving the flyer to attract more customer. Some of them can go to the front door of Mall, or go to the food court there to giving the flyer, so that can increase the interest for the customer to go to our booth and know more about our product SSP. Then the third group is program group. This is a very important group which they need to plan and run some interesting small activity to attract the people. So on that day we will open music so make more attractive. So if the people that go by our booth will attract from this music and uh, will come to know more about our product. Then some member will also will singing and make fun, make the event more fun. And we are also giving some simple explanation for our product SSP. Then a member also will become a host for this program. Besides, we also will prepare a small gift to the customer. Means that for those customer come to our booth and want to know more about our product, we will give them a bookmark. Then we also prepare gimmick for the customer. We for the first 100 customer who buy our product SSP, we are giving them a free notebook. Then for the first 10 customer, we are giving a 27-inch luggage, a money box, and we also will get a lucky draw chance. And for the grand prize for this lucky draw chance is one-way air ticket to Bali, Indonesia. So our date for the event is on 28 November and the time is from 9 a.m. to 8 p. to say from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on this day, sorry. Then after this part, I will present about B, activities, responsibilities, and timetable for completion. For this part, let's see to our timeline. This one is our timeline. So we will start our plan from the October of 12 of 2. So we will make a marketing goal first from October 2nd October to 3rd October. Then we will also make a situation analysis which include make a survey about suitable products, target customer and place. So then we will define product, select product and then segmented and specialized target customer. We'll also make a competitors analysis. So we at this stage we have to select our product. So we already select BSN product, BSN SSP. Then segment the target customer, which is UM lecturers and students, because it's suitable for this product also. And then competitors analysis we also do for competitor analysis for Maybank and Bank Islam. Then we also will do SWOT and PES. After that, we will getting approval. So after do our plan, we'll getting approval from BSN, and then we'll also getting approval from UM to get a place for doing this set up this booth. Then we're also making marketing communication strategies and tactics, develop advertising, discuss and see location of our booth, means the final place choose for set up our booth, which is the most strategic location for our booth. Then we'll discuss design, print and printing our flyer and poster. And we'll distribute and division of work for each member. Like just now I present have three main groups, which is sales, sales, logistic and program. Then we also will set a budget. After that, we will plan implementation, set the goal, which is before the date of our event. Okay. Then we'll also setting up and preparation for main day, and this one is program main day is on 28 November. This one. Then so after that, after the event, we will also make an evaluation report. So it's on November 29 and 30. Okay, so that's all from my presentation. Thank you. Thank you.